Hello, y'all. You can see I'm driving, so I probably won't be looking at you too much, so I need to keep my eyes on the road. I want to show you all the gifts that I will be giving away toward the end of this month. Somewhere between, well, it'll be the last week of the month. So, I know it won't be on the 31st. I've already said that because I'm going to be out of town that day. But anyway, I will be showing you here in a few minutes some things that I'm going to be giving away. One thing that I would like for you all to respond, I would like for maybe 3 of you all who do regular canning to do a test with me. And in doing that test, if you will agree to do that, I'm going to send you 3 of the Supreme lids. I'm going to send you 3 4-jar lids, and I'll send you 3 ball lids. And there may be a 4th one. I think I'll have to double check my supply, but I think I've got some lids that I got from Dutchman's that they're a no-name, but I have bought them for several years and have used some of them. So if you're interested in doing a test using 3 or 4 different types of lids, and then give us feedback on what your results are. Video feedback would be good, but if you send me the videos, you can get my email address on there. A lot of the videos have my email address on it, and that's backtobasicscanning at yahoo.com. And it's all small letters, no numbers. You can participate in that test. I have used many different canning lids through the years, so I would like your feedback on which ones you like the best. Okay, so the first tool that I will be giving away is this debubbling tool, and there's a large one and a small one in it, so that'll be the first thing. I will also be giving away this canning funnel. This is a new canning funnel. And then I will be giving away a dozen of the superb canning lids, in addition to the canning lids that I will be sending out for the test. I also have 2 of these jar lid lifters that I will give away. Also, this the jar lifters, the ones that you use to take jars out of the canner with. Very important tool. I have a gray and a white. 4 jars. These are kitchen towels. And then I also have, and I'm not going to open this up, but this is a Canning Lady, I don't know what happened to my camera right there. This is a Canning Lady apron, like the ones that I wear. Okay, so you've seen the items that I will be giving away toward the end of the month. And in order to be eligible for this drawing, you'll need to do a couple of things. One, you have to be subscribed to the channel. And the other thing, you will have to comment on this video. Not the video the day that I'm giving it away. You'll be too late if you wait till then. But on the video from today, you need to comment what state or where you're watching from. And then I want to know how you found my channel. And also, if you would like to participate in the canning jar lid test, then put that in the comments also. You can send me a message about that if you would prefer. In fact, you probably should message me about that. But you must be subscribed and you must comment in this video that what state you're in or what country you're in, wherever you are, and how you found my channel. And so then I will be doing a drawing during the live for everyone who is going to win during this drawing. So anyways, be watching. So you've seen now the various tools, the canning tools or kitchen tools that I will be giving away in the live stream. Well, it will be a live stream toward the end of the month. And like I said before, you have to be subscribed and you will have to comment. And the comments need to come from this video. So subscribe and comment in this video if you want to be considered for the drawing. And so anyway, until next time, God bless you.